am Dr. Mamata Kyar, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Now I explain about meaning of variance analysis, favorable, unfavorable, material variance and labor variance. Variance. The difference between standard cost and actual cost is known as variance. In other words, the deviation of actual cost from the standard cost is known as variance. The variance can be favorable or unfavorable. The first one, favorable variance, a difference between an actual cost and a budgeted or standard cost, and the actual cost is the lesser amount. In the case of revenues, a favorable variance occurs when the actual revenues are greater than the budgeted or standard revenues. Unfavorable variance. An unfavorable variance occurs when the difference between actual revenues and cost compared with the budgeted revenues and cost results in a lower net income. In other words, management's budgeted and projected revenues and expenses result in a higher net income than the actual net income. Analysis of variances in respect of cost. Analysis of variances may be done in respect of each element of cost, such as direct material, direct labor, and overheads. The first one, that is the direct material variance or material variances. So under this, the material cost variance, material cost variance is the difference between the standard cost of material specified and the actual cost of material used. Material cost variance are calculated by using the formula as standard cost minus actual cost, or material cost variance is equal to standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. And the next, material price variance. Material price variance is that portion of material cost variance which is due to the difference between the standard price specified and the actual price paid. This material price can be calculated by using the formula as material price variance is equal to standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. Reasons for material price variance: change in the market price of materials, inefficient purchasing, change in the delivery cost, change in the rates of excise duty, purchase tax, etc. Next, material usage variance. Material usage variance is that portion of material cost variance which is due to the difference between the standard quantities specified and the actual quantity used. So this material usage variance can be calculated by using the formula as material usage variance is equal to standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. Reasons for material usage variance: use of defective or substandard material, carelessness in the use of materials, defect in plant and machinery, change in the quality of materials. We will do the verification about this material variances by using the formula as material cost variance is equal to material price variance minus material usage variance. Next, material mix variance. This is a sub-variance of material quantity variance. It is defined as that position of the material usage variance, which is due to the difference between standard and actual composition of mixture. This variance arises only in those cases where more than one material is used in manufacturing a product. The formula can be used to calculate this material mix variance. That is, material mix variance is equal to standard price into revised standard proportion of actual input minus actual proportion. And the next, there is the material yield variance. The material yield variance, this is also a sub-variance of a material quantity variance. It is defined as the differences between the standard yield specified and the actual yield obtained. This variance arises when actual yield differs from the standard yield. So this material yield variance can be calculated by using the formula, that is, the material yield variance is equal to actual loss on actual input minus standard loss on actual input into average standard price per unit. So this is the formula for the calculation of material yield variance. Next, there is the labor cost variance. This is the difference between standard direct labor cost specified for the activity and the actual labor cost incurred. It can be calculated as follows. Labor cost variance is equal to standard hours into standard rate minus actual hours into actual rate. Next, labor rate variance. This is that portion of labor cost variance which is due to the difference between standard rate specified and the actual rate paid. It can be calculated as labor rate variance is equal to the standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. Reasons for labor rate variance: change in the basic wage rates, use of different methods of wage payment, unscheduled overtime, new workers not being paid at rates. And the next, labor efficiency or time variance. This is that part of labor cost variance which is due to the difference between the labor hours specified for actual output and the actual labor hours expended. This variance can be calculated as labor efficiency variance is equal to standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Reasons for labor efficiency variance: poor working conditions, defective tools and plant and machinery, inefficient workers, incompetent supervision, insufficient training of workers, change in the method of operation, non-standard grade of workers. So these are all the reasons for labor efficiency variance. And the next, that is the verification. The verification of labor cost variance as labor cost variance is equal to labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. It means the labor cost variance are equal to the labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. The next, labor mix variance. So this is a sub-variance of labor efficiency variance and is similar to material mix variance. This variance reveals as to how much of the wages variance is due to the change in the composition of labor force. Labor mix variance are calculated by using the formula as labor mix variance is equal to standard rate into revised standard hours minus actual hours. And the next, labor yield variance. This variance is similar to material yield variance. This variance reveals the effect on labor cost of actual output or yield being more or less than the standard yield. The formula for the calculation of labor yield variance: the labor yield variance is equal to actual yield minus standard yield from actual input into standard labor cost per unit of output.